Introducing the LinkPro Z flush mount kit. With the LinkPro Z flush mount kit, you can cut a 10.6-inch square hole into your ceiling. It includes a back box that fits inside this hole. There are 2 slots on either side to run your wiring through, and there are 4 dog legs that can be screwed down to secure the back box to your ceiling. Once inside, a category cable cannot slip back through, so your cables are secure. And installing the LinkPro Z is a snap. You're going to put the LinkPro Z inside underneath the 2 orange elastic straps, and you're going to turn the rotation until they're tight. This will secure the LinkPro Z inside, and there is a lever next to the rotary in case you need to service the unit. Once you're done, you're going to put the magnetic cover on it, and you'll hear it snap. And at that point, you're finished, and your Zigbee 3.0 system is ready to rock.